space intellect. Well, you can call me just space intellect. This works. I feel like chili dogs. But we can go ahead and start stuff. Let me get right. I'm starting this. I never believed that I could do anything. We're abused. You feel me? Uh-oh. Phone is alerted. As you can see, I'm in bad need of a haircut. It's bad. But anyway, I'm not asking for all that. I'm just cooking. It's my hobby now. And I might as well show you what I do. What I plan is to do incorporate all these ingredients, but I'm missing the cheddar cheese. I might compensate with American. We'll see. One of the things I already did was like already prepped. Like I prep my stuff, right? So like, check it out. That ice mug. This thing. Guess. Coca-Cola. Cherry Zero. Oh, yeah. We just might be in time for the whole oven to be done preheating. I'll have to go ahead and pull this out. I also got other big pan. As you can hear, it's time for hot dog. And put them right in there. And as I decided, yes, the American cheese will be put on the bun, as well as the last of cheddar. But that goes on before I put the chili. Yeah, squeeze it out. Put it right back in there. You turn them. I got this cool little thing in there. That's good little. I'm talking about. Cause we came out of it. 425. 5 minutes in the oven. I also decided chili cheese dogs with chili cheese fries. But, I don't have enough. Maybe I should just keep it just ranch on the checkers fries and the chili cheese dogs. I guess you're wondering, like, what do I mean about the frozen mug? I'm gonna show you. See the mug. See my hand. See the product. Yes, that's Coca-Cola. Oh. See the frost. Oh, it needs more. Let it stay. I've never seen this in any other place than Bennigan's. Oh, awesome. 5 minutes. Whoa, lost my glove. On the tape and stuff. Come on. It is here. Oh wow, look at that. I almost flipped it right onto it. Oh, okay. Now, another 5-minute tip. And I gotta wait for this to heat up. There's my little fryer for fries. That's what's happening. Okay. I'm a little early, but I like to prepare it before it happens. See, now this one's unopened. And this one is open. It's not much left. That's for later. It's the fun part now. Take them out. Now you guys are like, I don't get bugs. I wash my hands. Trying not to touch anything else but the food. But as it is, refrigerator and everything needs to be sprayed with like antibacterial stuff. Anyways, here we are. I can't do it in camera. I'm gonna try to do this part. Alright, see? You only start it and then you work it. Work the bun. You work the bun. And you have a cavity that can catch that big old dinner bug. There with this one. Work the bun. I say use 2 fingers to work better. And then work the bun out. Now it stands. See what I'm saying? Now it stands. Alright, I'm gonna try to do this one right now. Here we go. Oh. Hey. There we go. There we go. Okay. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait. There you see it. Oh, I should have had something under here. I'm about to flip those. Okay. Told you I was about to flip those. Oh, yeah. Oh, I wasn't looking. Set up yours. Yeah, that's right. That's where I live. As you can hear, my roommates don't like me cooking. But I empty out the can. And that's all that needs to be done at this point. Yeah, the alarms finally went away. In the oven. Hold on, I can't seem to get it. I think you're probably laughing at it. Here it is. And then there that is. I'm gonna figure this out. This is the chili As you can see, it just started. I'm about to go ahead and show you. Now, the bun that came out. There we go. Let me put this over here. Gonna go in the microwave. Fun part. All American cheese has cheddar in it. Go ahead and fold it. Fold it like that, and it becomes a separate part. Go ahead, you can layer it in that way. I like get it on the bottom because I already folded it back. And yeah, probably gonna hear the shit about gloves. Now, as this does this, right? Man, it's in melty. I got two things to do. One is to put my fries in there. I might need them. There we go. 5 minutes. I'm doing it without love. I usually do gloves. I'm just saying. Oh, man, hit my head on it. Here we go. 5 minutes on the timer now. You want to see what temperature I got going on in there? I'm gonna change hands. Oh, can't see it. I camera view. Up in there. Oh no, I did it wrong. Fuck. Chilli. This shit is still. This happens. Make a mistake, fix it. Cook code. This is then start the timer. There it is. Then cook code. Start the timer. Alright, one more time with the good. Hold on. Everything's on crazy. Hit that mistake, right? Do it all into the oil without putting it into the basket. Cut in my time to get this going. See, now, I don't know. Seeing this place sometimes. Well, let me tell you about this. I don't care. Go ahead and get the chili in here. Mix it in here with the hot stuff. This shit is hot right here. I don't have enough cheddar to make my chili fries better, so chili cheese in the microwave. Well, the chili in the microwave. One more time. And it seems like everything trying to kill me. Alright, here we go. So, this thing is awesome. Cuts it, your fillet, cabbage, goes right back in the fridge. Hormel, chili, Agnes, no beef. Let's get this moving. I said I will put cheese on it. Hey, look, it's clean. Go back in there. Yeah, Nathan's jumbo dog. Take a look at it. I love it. Yeah. There you go. Just make it look pretty. Shit. I love it, man. Okay. The end of the bag. Too much on that one. And hold on. See, that's hot. Just this. Take it the other way. Get rid of that. Oh, you hot. Fried just right. And I got some. This one. So look at it. Wow. Turn it off, turn it off, turn it off. Top it off. I like these fries with this. Yes, yes. Hey, there we go.